Hello and welcome to Messenger's Make It Personal version 2 application. As we get started learning the fast track in this video, I want to give you a few basic things to think about first. The purpose of the rewrite was to move away from Silverlight to a new version of Make It Personal that would give you more and less. More speed, more freedom, more options, less wasted time, less waiting, less issues, and less frustration. Version 2 is still all web-based. Everything is stored on the cloud, not on your computer, unless you choose to save files. There's nothing to download, not even Silverlight now. You simply go to a new website to log in, and that website is MIP V as in Victor 2.messengerstationery.com. You are not limited to any specific browser. Feel free to use your favorite. If you've been a user of Make It Personal in the past, you will not have to learn a new application. Most things function the same way. There have been some changes. We wanted to use some of the wonderful suggestions we have received over the last 5 years and some of the needs that we've seen on our own to enhance Make It Personal. In the video, I will be demonstrating using the fast track portion of the application. We're going to begin by logging in. This is the fast track and this is the main menu of Make It Personal. You'll begin here every time you log in. This allows you to start immediately with a new case by entering the most basic details, first and last name, born and died dates. Once you click on Save Case and select a product, you have literally just started and saved a new case and are on your way to creating your first piece of stationery. Everything you add in the fast track gets saved directly into the case information. And just a quick note, even if you choose to manually add or import your case information from the management software, the fast track can be all you ever need to use, especially if you have your own custom design templates that you have saved. On this screen, select the option that best suits your needs at the time. I'm going to fill from an existing case because I have already imported my case. And I'm going to choose here. Now I can type in any part of the person's name that I am looking for, or I can select from this drop menu. And if I'm diligent about removing the check mark from the active case list when my cases are over, then my list will remain manageable. This will only reflect my active cases. And then I'm going to click on Select a Product. At the top are the products that have already been made for this family, and there are no products created for Annalise. I'm going to select a service folder. I can enter the name here, or I can choose from the drop menu any of the series that I want to start with. Any part of the name will do. Then I'm going to select my size and then select my template. If you have custom templates, you will see them here. Click Create and review your design for this template. On the left side of the screen, you will see the options that you need to complete the template that you've chosen. On the right side, you will see the fields, and the images and the elements on the design as it stands now. You may notice that the text box or the obit field may fill with orange. This is to draw your attention to it. Not all the text is able to be seen. Adjust the box or reduce the size of the font. Once you've completed that, then you can move on to the other parts of the folder or the template that you've created that you want to work on. I'm going to adjust the picture. This works the same as it did in Make It Personal, the first version. You can even use the brightness and contrast. Check your other information, move to the inside panel. Any field or element that is currently on the template can be adjusted or edited in the Fast Track. Making changes to headings, adding additional elements or images will require going to the Advanced Designer. Click on any field to open the editing location in the case information. If it is a combined field, you may have to edit it in the other parts of that combined field down below or above. You will notice on the name that there is additional information here because there is now a nickname field that's included with that. And you'll notice on the name field that you now have the edit pencil that helps you decide where you would like that nickname to go before the first, middle, or last name. As you go through and edit your design, check where everything goes, check alignment and spacing, decide what you want on your pictures. You can edit the images as well, just like in the old one. You no longer have to use Control or Shift to adjust your pictures to keep them from skewing. They automatically adjust. Once you delete a picture, it's gone. If you want it back, you can click that to get it back. In order to replace an image in a picture, click on the picture, go to the image over here, and then choose the other picture that you would like to have it replaced with, and then save. And then, of course, you can always go here and tweak the image. Adding other images has to be done on the design screen. Once you're content with your design, save and print the design. There are many options for choosing how to print your design depending on the product you're doing. Once you've decided what options you want, click on the Generate PDF button. This should work quickly and open with Adobe Reader or Adobe Acrobat. If it opens in your browser, you will not have the ability to control scaling and your design may not print correctly. If you need help with these settings, feel free to contact us. Your Adobe should click right there, and here is your PDF. You will truly enjoy working with this new version of MIP. It's even easier than before. There may be some things that we are still perfecting. Please have patience with us. We hope you found this information helpful. For additional information about Make It Personal 2 and how it can best serve you, please feel free to browse other training videos, sign up for one of our webinars, or open any of our other help documents on our Help menu, which can be found in the menu button in the top right. We offer this and all of our support to our customers freely. Thank you.